Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your home phone to an Xfinity modem. First, make sure your Xfinity Voice service has been activated. Also check that your Xfinity modem or gateway is powered on and connected to the internet. Now, look at the back of your modem or gateway. You will find one or two telephone ports labeled Tel 1 and Tel 2 or Voice 1 and Voice 2. Next, take a standard telephone cord. Plug one end into the Tel 1 port on the modem. Connect the other end to the Ethernet port on the base of your home telephone. If your home's phone wiring is already connected to your Xfinity Voice service, you can plug the cord into the correct wall phone jack instead. Once everything is connected, wait a few moments. The voice light on the modem may blink while it connects to the phone service. When the light becomes solid, pick up your home phone and listen for a dial tone. If you hear one, your phone is connected and ready to make and receive calls. Thanks for watching.